Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mini PCs, Asus ExpertCenter. First, I've got my hands on the Asus ExpertCenter Business Mini PC Desktop, which is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5800H processor, has a substantial 16 GB of RAM, and a large 1 TB SSD. Right first, I'm struck by its clean, professional style, which would fit perfectly with any workplace arrangement. It seemed quick and responsive while booting up with Windows 11 Pro, making multitasking a delight. The connectivity possibilities are extensive, with DisplayPort, RJ45, HDMI, and Wi-Fi 6 enabling a wide range of configurations. The AMD Ryzen 7 CPU provides excellent performance. MSI PRO DP21. Next, I'm looking at the MSI PRO DP21 12M407US Mini PC Business Desktop, which is an intriguing bundle. This small workstation is equipped with an Intel Core i3-12100 CPU and Intel UHD 730 graphics, indicating that it is intended for business and productivity applications. The design is professional and unobtrusive, making it ideal for office situations. It was simple to set up with Windows 11 Home, and it offers a modern yet familiar interface. One of its noteworthy features is its 4K dual display compatibility, which is amazing for a tiny PC in this class. This allows you to increase the size of your workstation or even use it as a home theater PC, HTPC, for entertainment purposes. The addition of a USB Type-C connection expands the device's connecting choices. Even better, it's worth noting, the MSI Cubi 5 Mini PC is the next device on the list. It is a pocket-sized computing marvel equipped with an Intel Core i3-125U CPU, 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, a quick 256 GB SSD, and all of this in a stylish and power-saving black body. While not the most powerful CPU, its Thunderbolt Type-C connector provides an incredible degree of adaptability and connectivity with a variety of peripherals and external storage devices. Furthermore, dual monitor compatibility allows for improved multitasking and the creation of a larger workspace. The energy-efficient design not only saves power consumption, but also provides a quiet and cool operation, making it a natural fit for places that value noise and energy economy. It's also worth mentioning that this little PC comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home. HP Z2 Mini G9. Moving on, the HP Z2 Tiny G9 workstation is an amazing powerhouse, setting a new bar in terms of performance and functionality for tiny PCs. This small PC is designed for uncompromising performance in professional and demanding applications, thanks to an Intel Core i9, Tetra Core i9 13900 13th Gen CPU running at 2 GHz, supported by a huge 32 GB of lightning-fast. What distinguishes it from the rest is not just its processing power, but also its intelligent design, which blends performance with a compact form factor, making it a great match for offices with limited space. It is designed for designers, engineers, and professionals who want high computational power in a clutter-free environment. It has strong connectivity options, including as USB-C and Thunderbolt, to handle high-bandwidth data transfers and many displays. The Lenovo ThinkCentre M90N follows as a tiny computing miracle that finds a balance between performance and compactness. This tiny PC, powered by the Intel Core i5-8365U CPU and outfitted with Intel UHD Graphics 620, provides a competent computing solution for daily productivity activities and more. It has 8 GB of RAM and a large 512 GB SSD, so it responds quickly and has enough of storage capacity for your data and programs. Its ultra-compact form factor distinguishes it, making it a good alternative for confined workstations or situations where preserving desk space is critical. It is based on Windows 10 Pro and provides a familiar and business-friendly operating system tailored to the demands of professionals and small enterprises. While it is not a powerhouse for resource-intensive work, the ThinkCentre M98N excels in terms of energy economy, quiet operation, and a simple design that blends smoothly into a variety of contexts. Overall, the Lenovo ThinkCentre Beelink SER5. Last on our list is the Beelink SER5 Mini PC, an impressive computing powerhouse packed into a compact form factor. At its core, it boasts the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor with a remarkable clock speed of up to 4.3 GHz, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads. Its support for 4K resolution and triple display output ensures an immersive visual experience, making it an excellent choice for creative professionals or anyone who requires high-quality graphics performance. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, it's up to date with the latest wireless technologies, ensuring fast and reliable connections. One standout feature is the support for auto power on, enhancing its convenience for remote access or scheduled tasks. Whether you're into content creation, multitasking, or entertainment, ultimately, the right mini PC for you depends on your specific needs and priorities. Whether you're looking for a compact office workhorse, a high-performance workstation, or a versatile all-rounder, there's a mini PC on this list that could be the perfect fit for your requirements.